Let us sacrifice our today, so that our children can have a better tomorrow. Take a moment to relive your childhood. Life may be a race, let them follow their pace. Children are the best creation of God, they spread joy in every season. Children are the future. Nurture them right, so that they grow up to be able leaders, and lead the world towards light. Childhood means fun unlimited, bounteous shower of love and care, realm of imagination, joy of growing up. Every little smile on your face brings the boundless joy of parenthood to our heart. All the charm and joy of this day is for you. There are only two lasting gifts we should give our children. One is roots, and second is wings. Children are the world's most valuable resources, and its best hope for the future. The best inheritance a parent can give their children is their time each day. Childhood is all about being wild, having fun, and enjoying a carefree life. Enjoy your childhood till it lasts. Children are the gifts of God, let them fly with their thoughts. A child always teaches an adult three things: to be happy for no reason, to be always busy with something, and know how to demand with all his might what you want. I don't want my children to follow in my footsteps. I want them to take the path next to me, and go further than I could have ever dreamed possible. There are some things we can't buy. One of such thing is our childhood. Children are like bugs in a garden, and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. Children are budding stars. The more you embrace them, the more they shine.